Hi, my name is Derek Howes, the Protein Chef, and I am excited to introduce you to the Ninja NutriBlender Pro. This addition to the Ninja family makes blending easier than ever. The Ninja NutriBlender Pro is sleek, compact, and comes equipped with single-serve cups, making it perfect for my busy lifestyle. I can make my favorite smoothie and conveniently take it with me wherever I go. This blender comes with a super powerful 1000-watt motor base, which is extremely compact and fits great on my countertop. The single-serve cup with Pro Extractor Blade assembly is great for creating smooth blended drinks like smoothies, extractions, and frozen drinks like pina coladas. It can crush through ice, liquefy and extract fruits, and easily powers through other tough ingredients like leafy greens and broccoli. My favorite features of the Ninja NutriBlender Pro are the different blending options. Here you can choose from 2 Auto-iQ programs or manual blend. Auto-iQ is a patented Ninja technology that takes the guesswork out of blending. To use the Auto-iQ technology, simply select one of the 2 programs included, either Smoothie or Crush. The machine will then automatically control the motor speed, length of program, and unique pausing and pulsing patterns to ensure you get the perfect result every time. The Smoothie Auto-iQ program is perfect if you're looking to make a breakfast smoothie but don't have a lot of time. The Crush feature is great for ice-based recipes like frozen drinks and slushies. Look how quickly the blades crush down the ice. In addition to Auto-iQ, the Ninja NutriBlender Pro also includes 2 manual programs. Use the Start-Stop button to run the blender manually on an even speed, and use Pulse if you want more control over what you're blending. If you don't know where to start, check out the inspiration guide that comes with your Ninja NutriBlender Pro. There are so many tasty treats, you've got to give it a read. Today, I'm in the mood for one of my favorite Ninja recipes, the berry almond smoothie. To get started, grab your Ninja cup and prep your ingredients. I have a small ripe banana, which I cut into pieces so it can be easily processed. A quick tip, start loading your cup with fruits and leafy greens, then add liquids, followed by any nut butters, and then finish off with ice or other frozen ingredients. Next, add 1 1/4 cups of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and 1 1/4 cups of frozen mixed berries. Then, screw on the blade assembly tightly by twisting it clockwise. Next, lower the cup onto the base, then twist it clockwise to lock it into place. You will hear a click when the cup is successfully installed. Once installed, the control panel lights will illuminate. For this recipe, I'm going to use the Smoothie Auto-iQ program. All I need to do is press the smoothie button and the blender does the work for me. Once complete, twist the cup counterclockwise to remove it from the base. Ready to hit the road? Twist on the spout lid to take it with you anywhere. It's that easy. For more recipe inspiration, visit ninjakitchen.com.